In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records in Hostinger hPanel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to confirm that everything is working as expected. First, sign in to your Hostinger hPanel. Once you're in, head to the domains section. You'll see a list of domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to work with and click Manage next to it. This takes you to that domains settings page where you can control things like DNS, email, and other configurations. Now open DNS or name servers. In Hostinger, this area is where you create and edit DNS records. You're not changing ownership or moving your domain here. You're simply telling the internet where to find your website, mail server, or verification details. If your domain uses external name servers, keep in mind that changes here won't take effect until the domain is pointed to Hostinger's DNS. Choose the record type you want to add. A records point your domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address, which is how browsers find your website server. CNAME records create an alias directing one hostname to another. TXT records hold text-based data, often used for domain verification or email sender policies like SPF. MX records determine where your domain's email should be delivered. Next, fill in the host or name field. This is the label for the part of your domain you're configuring. For TXT records on the main domain, Hostinger recommends using the @ symbol, which represents the root of your domain. If you're creating a record for a subdomain, enter just the subdomain, like blog, without the full domain. Keep it simple and be precise. Enter the value or destination for the record. For an A record, that's the IP address. For a CNAME, it's the target host name. For a TXT record, paste the exact text provided by the service you're verifying with. For an MX record, you'll also add a priority number. Lower numbers have higher priority. Double check for typos and avoid extra spaces. Save the DNS record to apply your changes. If you're replacing an old record, remove the outdated entry to prevent conflicts. Finally, wait for DNS propagation. This can be quick, but it may take several hours to fully update worldwide. When enough time has passed, test your changes. Visit your site for A records, use a DNS lookup tool for CNAME and TXT, and send a test email or check your email provider's diagnostics for MX. If everything resolves correctly, you're all set.